Hello everyone, it's Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here. So this is the piece that I created from our Christmas in January collaboration, and it cracked massively. I was so upset. This piece was so pretty, and so I have decided that I'm going to embellish it. And I had been chatting with one of the other lovely ladies in the collaboration who also wanted to embellish the piece that she had created, and so we decided that we would do it together. So Annukka, thank you so very much for the opportunity to do a collaboration with you. I'm super excited. So as you can see, I am doing some silver leaf. I'm currently right here right now just adding in the special glue that you add in on top. I showed the bottle there at the beginning. Just touching up some of the bigger spots that I wanted to add in the silver leaf to. This piece was, I loved this piece when it was wet, and I don't know what really happened except for the possibility that it was a secondhand canvas, and I think maybe just the piece that was underneath caused the cracking. My table was level. I had made sure of that, but of course stuff happens and you just never really know what's going to happen. So here I have added in a few of the silver leaf pieces already. I really like working with my hands, and I know some of you that do this are probably cringing at me having my hands in there, but it's how I like to do it, and I find that it just works a whole lot better for me. And once you get your silver leaf in place, you take a little paintbrush and just flake it all off. I love this part. This is like the most fun part, just watching your silver leaf come to life. You'll have to excuse my voice as I'm recording this. It's super early in the morning here and my voice is still a little bit cracky. I wanted to get this done, so pardon my voice cracking. Anyway, so here I'm going back in with that gilding glue just to do some of the finer spots, to sharpen up some of the edges that I wanted, and to get a few little bit of lines just to add some dimension into some of those a little bit softer areas. If you're interested in trying out some silver leaf, gold leaf, I got this kit on Amazon. If you just search gold leaf, it will pop up for sure. In the kit, I got several sheets of silver, gold, and then they also sent me some rose gold. And along with it, they sent the glue as well as a paintbrush. So everything comes all together. I love the way that this piece comes together in the end. Like I said, I was super upset when I discovered that it had cracked. So upset. So here I'm just going over one last little spot with my paintbrush and going in with my silver Sharpie. There's a couple of spots I wanted to sharpen up some lines and add in a few more just fine little details. I love the abstractness of this wintry piece, even though it's in reds and blacks and grays. It reminds me of icicles or the frost on your window when it all just separates into beautiful little crystal-like patterns on your window. It sort of reminds me of that. And I love that I had added in some sparkle into the red paint. So when I varnish this, which I have dried results at the end of this video, you'll get to see how sparkly it is as well with a beautiful coat of gloss varnish. I will link the original Christmas in January piece at the very end. So go and have a look at the original creation and how beautiful this piece was before it cracked and decided to do its own thing. Annukka's original piece will be linked in that video as well. But I will also link her collaboration video down below. I will link her original Christmas in January video down below as well. And you can have a look at all of the other artists that were a part of that massive 3-day Christmas in July collaboration. I hope I said Christmas in July before. I think I may have said Christmas in January. If I said Christmas in January, I meant Christmas in July. A little bit of a slip up there. Anyway, yeah, just touching up a couple little areas here. If you haven't already seen Annukka's video at the point of watching this, I would love if you would head on over to her channel and watch her embellishment video. I know she is an amazing artist, and she is from Finland, and she just does some amazing work. I watch a lot of my YouTube videos on my TV, and so I don't always get to comment, but I do watch a lot of her videos. And she does a great paint mixing video that if you are interested in how to mix colors, to mix your own colors, you need to head over to her channel and have a peek at that video. So here is the dried varnished piece. I love how this silver leaf just shines. The black is rather matte, and I love the contrast. Even of the areas that cracked that I left, it just adds in some extra little interest and excitement, and I love how it looks like frosting on a window after a really cold day. A really cold day in Ontario. We get lots of those. I'm not looking forward to the winter. So yeah, you can see how there is some sparkle popping out there from that red paint. I just love it. You know what? The video does not do it justice. It is so beautiful in person. The sparkle just really pops. I took a transparent red paint and added in just some sparkle that you would add into your resin, and it was absolutely beautiful. I'm so glad that I did it. So thanks for joining me, everyone. I hope you have a great day and a great week. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.